Hello to everyone whoever is watching this video, and in this video I bring a different point of view, actually my own point of view to you guys regarding which is the best AI tool you can use to bring your content game up a notch. And I'm not gonna waste your time, so let's get right into our video. So without much ado, these are a few tools which I absolutely recommend. Number one is the Bing Image Creator. It is on my list for at least the last couple of months and has given me absolutely crazy and mind-blowing results when it comes to generating images. And now I'm not saying this is the number one tool which you should use, and there are also others. For example, there is Leonardo AI, but there is one specific tool that people are underhyping and is not much talked about, and that tool is Adobe Firefly. So if you just search for Adobe Firefly on Google and open the first link, you will come across a page like that where you can see Get Firefly for free. If you scroll down, you can see some options such as text to image or generative fill. So let's go ahead and click on the Get Adobe Firefly free option here. And as you click that, it will open a new page for you where you can generate your art. And it will also give you a random prompt, which is a cool thing because no other AI does that. And you can generate this, or you can also write one of your own. I guess we will just go with this one. It looks good. Let's click generate and see what it comes up with. And you can see this is sort of a abstract art of clouds of different colors and then the sky with stars. Now I just wrote a very simple prompt, nothing too crazy, and let's see what sort of results we get from that. And by default, there are 4 images that it will generate for you. As you can see, we have gotten 4 images of a guy holding a bow and aiming for birds in the nature or at the trees. So if we open this image, this sort of represents what we needed in our prompt, but our prompt was not that high quality. Obviously, it wouldn't generate the best images. So let's see what we can do with the settings. So if you scroll down, we have effects, and currently layered paper is selected, but we need something like a digital art. So let's click that and remove the layered paper print. Now we can also see the references. If you want to select a reference, you can do that as well. You can also upload a reference image of your own, so it has the features such as image to image generation and not just the text to image generation, which is cool as well. Now if you go and open ChatGPT, you can write a story which you want and it will create the prompts for you. But there is a special extension to make ChatGPT work even better, and it's known as AIERM. So if you just search that on Google and open this link, chromewebstore.google.com, now you can just add this to your browser. So once you add that up, your ChatGPT will look sort of like this. And here I want you to search for Midjourney. And the reason why I want you to search for Midjourney is because these models are the most recommended and liked by the users. So go with the one with the most thumbs ups and usage. So this one in our case, so let's select that. And we can simply copy our prompt from before. And if we just paste it here, press enter, it will give us new prompts with much higher detail for our artwork. For example, use the first one here. If I just copy it from here and come back to Firefly and paste it, now if we generate the art, we can see the difference. Now you can clearly see the difference in the quality and how big of a difference it did make. For example, if I open this image, it looks much better and superior in quality than anything we have gotten before with the simple and generic prompt. Like if you were to have a first glance at this image, you wouldn't be able to know that it is generated with AI. And just like that, if we look at other images, they are all looking super high quality and rich in detail. You don't even have to use any image upscalers to upscale the quality, because they already come in a high quality output for you. You can simply download them and save them on your device. Now let's go ahead and try something different and play around with these settings. For example, there is an aspect ratio option. We can also choose a portrait instead of a widescreen. So let's go ahead and try that, and we want to use a different story now. So why don't we try something to do with fireflies? And here we have gotten several of them. And once we have gotten the new prompt for your new story, simply copy it from here. I'm going to go with prompt number 3. And if I just paste it back here again and click on the generate button, we will have 4 new images. And also if you look on the bottom right corner, you can see there are 2 options. If you click this, which is by default, you will have 4 generative outputs. But if you select this one, then you will only get 1 image output. And now we have gotten our elves house in the woods. So we can open this image and have a look. The quality is amazing. We can see the shadows in the water, which is insane. Everything is well balanced, the colors and the quality. So I highly recommend you guys this tool. If you haven't already checked it out, you should definitely use it as part of your tool. I mean, just look at these images and how detailed they are, like the shadows here and everything about these images look just so good. Now you can also copy the same prompt and try it with other AI image generators such as Bing. So if I come here and paste it, now if we click on the create button, you will see the difference in the quality of the images you get. And you can see I have used the same prompt here that is currently being used in the images creator. Now you can see the difference in the quality of these images. Now this is the image which is created by Bing AI, which is another one of the great tools, but you can clearly see the difference in the quality. They have much different colors and the theme, but if you come on Adobe Firefly, you can see just how dramatic these images look. This is like a completely different scene and looks just out of an anime movie. And if you look here, this looks like a normal image. And also, you can clearly tell this is generated by AI. Let us know down in the comment what do you guys think about these tools. Let us know which one is your favorite. And that was all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. Consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.